this strategy. Welcome to Jimmy James channel. This strategy, you can see all the settings. The barrier offset is -0.444. So this strategy is actually the sharp up. So when this signal is showing red or down, we go sharp up. If you check my other strategy, I actually left barrier offsets on the default, but this is quite different. By the time we get red now, and we are having a sharp up from the red signal, we'll purchase our higher contract. So I'm still waiting to get a signal. When we have a red, you know, all this has to do with patience. If you don't have patience, there is no shift. There's red now. There's sharp up. Press our trade. There's sharp up. Press our trade. Just subscribe to this channel. I'll be getting you guys a lot of strategies to see one or trade. A lot of strategies. Just be patient. Get all the settings right. Let's see whether we can still get another signal for us to take our sharp up. Subscribe. Click the subscribe button. We'll be coming up with other ways. I'm showing you other ways to make money online apart from binary option. But a lot of binary videos will be coming up. A lot. Just stay tuned. A lot. Subscribe. Like the video. I'm still waiting for another signal. But I don't want the video to be lengthy. I'm still waiting for red. There's red now. I'm waiting for sharp up. I got my sharp up there. So a lot of just subscribe because we wanna I'll trade again. So I'll be stopping here. Just make sure you're patient. You get the red line when there's sharp up, you know, place your trade. Get all the settings right. You can see all the settings. Subscribe. More videos. Money must be made. Money must